When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light.
I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing, racing, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go.
When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. And we can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. I don't wanna feel like we're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for a play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exits. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt a fire like this. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. Right here, right now, we're running out of things to talk about. Right here, right now, I'm about to let the truth come out. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? here at this minute. Do you think that it would turn you on? Hit my head on the concrete back in high school. Knocked out cold, but I still remember it so well. Had my first dance and my first heartbreak. Made some friends that I still have, and I could tell. It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but you still remember me. After all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment. Everybody is moving on to new things, and we're still young, but looking back's like history. Oh, and all of the memories that we made will last a lifetime, and even the worst ones made us who we are today. It's the good and bad and the best of memories. It's been so long, but you still remember me. After all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment. I don't believe that you're leaving me. We don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right. You're trading numbers with some dudes at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body. Want you all over my body. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body. Want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave. We never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I don't believe it. I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right. You're trading numbers with some dudes at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body. Want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave. We never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and
Great job guys! Another day, another win! I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you next video. 안녕.